quite a big box. This is the Elegoo Neptune Max 3. Why does it look a little beat up? This was on their website, which they sell a few different types of printer. This happened to be a printer for repair. They also have a damaged printer, and then they have some that are for just kind of refurbished. But this one here was sold as a repairable printer. So let's see what we got here. The reason I bought this was around $215, something like that. And sometimes they are out of stock. What do we got here? Looks like all the accessories are here, whether they added this or perhaps this printer never made it out of the box. I'm not sure yet. But we got all of our accessories here. Got our spool holder. Spool holder has some wear marks on it, so looks like the printer's been used maybe a little bit. This looks all pretty good. Everything seems to be in the box so far. Let's see what we got for glue stick. That'll be a good indication. Looks like a brand new glue stick. So, I don't know. Interesting. Unless this was repackaged again, there seems to be everything here. I bought this. I have the Elegoo Neptune Max 3 Max already, and I kind of bought this machine for parts, but if everything's here, then I will probably try to repair if there's any problems with it, or use it as a printer, even though my machine currently is running very well. Everything seems to be here. Looks like there's an LED bar on here, which I don't know if the my other printer has that. Looks like it was packaged relatively good. There's Z motors. So I'm going to leave this in the box. Let's take a look at the rest of this. I would say this is pretty decent at the moment. I'm in my studio and don't have a lot of room in here. Very nice build surface. I don't see any previous prints. I don't see any nozzle gouges on here. I mean, this sheet by itself was probably $40 something. And then if your heating bed ever goes out, I'm sure this is probably a $100+ replacement. So for me, just buying this as a parts machine seemed to make sense. The wheels off. I guess the Neptune Max 4, they eliminated the wheels, which, personally, I don't think that's a good thing. I'd rather have my wheels. So this wheel is attached. Somewhere must be missing a wheel off another surface here. What's this? Not sure what that is. I'm gonna leave this in the box, people. Like I said, I don't have a requirement to use this machine, so I'm just gonna leave it in the box as parts. If for some reason I need this printer, I will try to get it back going. This actually doesn't look too bad at all. No frays or anything like that. That looks pretty good. I don't know, what do you think? Hopefully the motherboard and everything works good. A little shake in the bed. Not sure where that came from. Looks like a Z-axis part, maybe. Alright, people, I'm going to keep this in a box, but I just wanted to show you kind of what you would get sometimes with a return printer. I bought many return printers. Sometimes they're brand new in the box. I've seen these belts upside down, you know, by the user. So he was skipping on his Y-axis. This says something here. Yeah, still got the factory paper on it. I'm assuming that's maybe they sent another one of these along. I don't know. Mine didn't have tape like that on it. So rods still have shrink wrap on them. I think this. I don't know what to say about this machine. Seems like a lot of these parts are in pretty much new shape. The bed surface had no defects on it, so that's good. That fell off somewhere. I mean, this sheet here is pretty good shape, so I think I made out pretty good on this one. But your mileage might vary. You know, I bought these machines, you know, where they were brand new in the box, and I bought these machines, not these particular Elegoo, but, you know, 3D printers in general, where you get your box and it's just all thrown in, not even the factory box. If you shake the box, you hear all the parts moving around. Sometimes you got pieces missing. But this seems like it's pretty complete, and you know, when you get stuff like this, it makes you wonder if this thing was ever put together or what happened with it. Take care. Happy printing.